Speed up Android animations. Before you can start, you will need to unlock the developer options. To unlock the developer options, go to Settings, About Phone, Software Information, and tap on the build number 5 times quickly. Go back and look for the new developer options in the main settings. Once you open the developer options, scroll down until you see the drawing sections. Then you'll see 3 animation settings. Each of these options will be set to 1x. By reducing the animation speed to 0.5x, you can speed up all transition effects and not only improve how fast your device runs, but the shorter animation sequence will make the device seem smoother, as you can see. If you found that the changes are causing problem, or if you are seeing not improvement in animation speed, try restarting your device or simply turn developer options off.